Hey, so sometimes our playing feels uninspired, a little bit dull, and we just need one thing to practice to feel inspired again. Today I'm going to give you just one thing, and it's a substitution. And I think it's going to be a substitution you probably never considered. Let's get right to the lesson. Today we are substituting a 1 for a flat 5. What do I mean by that? We're in the key of C, and C is our 1, but instead of playing a 1, we're going to substitute it for a flat 5. And so we're going to go to the 5, which is G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we have G major. Now our flat 5 is going down a half step, which is F sharp or G flat. Now we're not going to play G flat major. What we're going to play is F sharp or G flat, half diminished 7, all right? Another way of looking at this would be a minor 7 flat 5 chord. So we're substituting this chord, C major, for this one. Now let's go ahead and apply it in a song. A song that I was thinking about recently was Sweet Hour of Prayer. I remember when I was a kid and my granddad would sing this. He was a pastor of a church, and he would just sing this leading the congregation. So it's a very special song for me. So let's do it. Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer that calls me from a world of care that bids. All right, so let's take that section from that calls me from a world of care. That calls me from a world of care that bids. I think it's and bids or that bids. Either way, we're going to the 1 here, okay? And bids. Okay, but instead of going to the 1, we're going to use our substitution. And our substitution right here is this one. Ooh, oh, I just felt it in my soul, okay? So let's try it. Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer that calls me from a world of care and bids me at my Father's throne. Anyway, you see what 1 chord does, right? It adds a great deal of flavor, all right? Before we continue in our lesson, I want to tell you that I have a Diminished Course Series you can download in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. Let's get right back to the lesson. So let's go ahead and apply this same substitution, but let's do it in the key of F, all right? So we understand the concept. So this is F, and we're going to go to our 5, which is C. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, we're going to the flat 5. So the flat 5 is going to be going a half step down from C, which is B, and we're going to make that a diminished chord, but it's really a half diminished 7. Another way you can think about it is a minor 7 flat 5. So let's look at that, right? So let's play a minor 7. And then what we do is we flatten our 5th, which is F sharp in this case. All right? So we're substituting our 5, which is C major, for a minor 7 flat 5 chord. Okay? All right, let's try it. Let's see if we can sing Sweet Hour of Prayer in this key. Sweet hour of prayer, sweet hour of prayer that calls me from a world of care that bids. Now that's our 1. Now we're substituting this one right here for this one right here, all right? That calls me from a world of care that bids, so sweet, all right? So there you have it. Go ahead, work on this substitution where you are substituting your one chord for a flat 5, which can be a minor 7 flat 5 chord, all right? Also, don't forget to download the Diminished course in the description below. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we will all keep growing together.